Dialogue. This dialogue is between a woman, Laura, and a social worker, Julia. Laura is seeking information about government assistance for her elderly mother. The dialogue begins now.
Good afternoon, my name is Julia, and I'm a social worker here at the community center. How can I assist you today?
Magandang hapon, ako si Julia, isang social worker dito sa community center. Paano kita matutulungan ngayon? Magandang hapon, Julia. Ang nanay ko ay 75 taong gulang na at hindi na kayang magtrabaho. Gusto kong malaman kung kwalipikado siya para sa anumang tulong mula sa gobyerno.
Good afternoon, Julia. My mother is 75 years old and can no longer work. I'd like to know if she qualifies for any type of government assistance.
I see. We offer several types of government assistance for elderly people, including pensions and health support. Is your mother currently receiving any benefits?
Naiintindihan ko. Nag-aalok kami ng iba't ibang uri ng tulong ng gobyerno para sa mga matatanda, kasama na ang pensyon at suportang pangkalusugan. Nakakatanggap ba ang nanay mo ng anumang benepisyo sa... Wala, hindi siya nakakatanggap ng kahit anong tulong. Matagal siyang nanirahan sa ibang bansa at hindi niya alam kung paano mag-apply para sa mga benepisyo dito sa Australia.
No, she doesn't receive any help. She lived abroad for many years and doesn't know how to apply for these benefits here in Australia.
That's no problem. We can help you with the application process. Does she have residency status, and has she lived in Australia for at least 10 years?
Walang problema yan. Matutulungan namin kayo sa proseso ng pag-a-apply. May residency status ba siya at nakatira na ba siya sa Australia nang hindi bababa sa 10 taon?
Hey, if you are enjoying this content and would like to see more and support my channel, please hit the subscribe button.
May permanent residency siya at mahigit 15 taon na siyang nakatira dito. Pero hindi pa siya humingi ng tulong noon.
Yes, she has permanent residency and has been here for more than 15 years. But she's never asked for help before.
Great. Then she's likely eligible for the age pension. This covers basic living expenses. Does she also need support with medical costs?
Ayos. Malamang kwalipikado siya para sa age pension. Sinasaklaw nito ang mga pangunahing gastusin sa pamumuhay. Kailangan din ba niya ng tulong para sa mga gastusing medikal? Ang mahal ng mga gamot. Malaking tulong kung makakakuha siya ng suporta para sa mga gastusin na ito.
Yes, the medications are very expensive. It would help her a lot to receive support to cover those costs.
In that case, we can also apply for a healthcare card. This will reduce the cost of her medications and other medical services. Do you have her identification documents with you?
Sa ganung kaso, maaari rin tayong mag-apply para sa healthcare card. Makakabawas ito sa gastos ng mga gamot at iba pang serbisyong medikal. May dala ka bang mga identification documents niya? May dala akong passport niya at residency card. Sapat na ba ito?
I have her passport and residency card with me. Will that be enough?
Yes, That's perfect. We'll need to fill out a form and submit those documents. Once approved, your mother will receive her benefits monthly.
Oo, ayos yan. Kailangan lang nating punan ang form at isumite ang mga dokumentong iyan. Kapag naaprubahan, matatanggap ng nanay mo ang mga benepisyo niya buwan-buwan. Ang laking ginhawa nito. Siguradong malaking tulong ito para sa nanay ko. Maraming salamat sa oras mo, Julia.
What a relief. I'm sure this will be a great help for my mother. Thank you very much for your time, Julia.